explain for this week.
Okay, for this week, some students on Monday and on Tuesday they are six because we study about unit 5. The sounds if, it, and x. For example, if, sip, rip, hit, lip, and eat, sit, pit, hit, pit, and x, six, mix, fix. That one about sound springs. We do exercise, we open the application, we actually learn together, say right from the application, and then do that one.
That's on Monday.
On Monday, this
Tuesday?
No, Monday and Tuesday are same. Still about unit 5. Because this is the new one, right? The new unit 5. Because last week we studied about only review.
There is a repetition.
Yes, miss.
There is. What are the words?
On Monday, we asked students to do a dictation like hit, sit, six, and make. And hit, sorry. On Monday, that one. On Tuesday, shift, mix, hit, and sit. Still about unit 5.
4 words.
Yes, 4 words. On Monday and on Tuesday, dictation for words, 4 words like that.
Okay, for little step, what do you do?
For little step, on Monday we just ask about checkpoint question about unit 8.
What are they?
The first about 3 until 7 March we study. We ask them about checkpoint question about unit 8. How do we get from one place to another place? Okay, the question like this.
Is that from 3 until 6?
What the date March? Okay.
So the question?
The question, for example, like this. What vehicle that can carry so many people on the road? The vehicle that can carry so many people on the road is bus. Okay, the second question. What has 4 wheels and drives on the road? A car has 4 wheels and drives on the road. And the third question. Oh, so side miss. Sorry, miss. The question: What vehicle can keep the air clean? Okay. Scooter and bike can keep the air clean. And the fourth question: Where does a bike go? A bike goes on the land. Okay, next. Where does the next unit right? In the next page. Okay, it's about question like this. Where does the bus go? The bus goes on the land. The next. So on the land. And then what vehicle? The bus goes on the land. Which is the faster, bus or airplane? Airplane is faster than car. What is your favorite place to play? My favorite place to play is amusement park. What is your favorite place to go on holiday? My favorite place to go on holiday is a mountain. Okay, this is the last right? About the last unit for unit 8. What is your favorite? What is the characteristic of trend toys? The characteristic of trend toys are yellow, old, and slow, and old. Okay. Next, what is the characteristic of boats? Boat is red. Boat is red. It is faster and is fast. Okay. Next, about the picture about the boat, right? How many boat pictures on the touchboard? There are 40 boats on the touchboard. And the last, where does ships goes on the water? That's all about the checkpoint question for unit 8. Yes.
So you review this for 2 days.
For Monday, all of the question or checkpoint question, because for today, this day we just ask them to do special activity.
What is special activity?
Special activity is about transportation game. Teachers ask about different question, right? Just 4 minutes, and then teachers gives them instruction how to do this special activity. But transportation games, teacher has provided 3 boxes about on land, in the water, and on the road. After that, after teachers provided one, teacher has provided 2 about some of transportation. Teacher put the pictures on the table random, okay, and then teachers call 3 students to come in front and then mix picture randomly. But there are 3 boxes, right? For 1 box is for the 1 student, and the second box is for the on land, for etc. Until 3, right? And then teacher will will give them instruction. Okay, for you, for example like this. For Sean, you just take and put the transportation on the land. Okay, for you, Carlos, you take and put transportation in the water. And for you, the last of Rian, you can take and put the transportation in the air. Like this. Then I put that randomly.
Okay, so the result, how about the character result?
The character result is about who is faster and who can do it properly.
Only that?
Only that one, who is the faster.
So what will they get after doing that?
I give point to them one, but for today I cannot give them point directly because we don't have much time. First we rearrange table. For the next I will prepare my time and
I mean, from the character, what will they get after doing that one?
they can know how, and they can know transportation in the air, they know transportation in the water, and then the others. They already know what they want. So if they want to go to somewhere, go to airplane, go to airplane or go to airport, right? Then they can see what is airplane. It means the transportation in the air like this. Okay, if they go to the school, they on the land, right? They can see bus, car, bicycle, and the other.
For the rainbow, what will you do? Tomorrow, yeah?
Tomorrow. For rainbow math on Wednesday, we study about unit about plants. It means teacher it means teacher just explain about number 12 and number 13. Teachers open the file, the touchboard about number 12 and number 13. It means teacher asks them to count about picture of flowers or the other. They can count 1 until 12. Okay, and then about number 13. How about the checkpoint question is the checkpoint question related about number 12. So teacher asks question about this. Teacher take the pencil right in front, start from 1 pencil until 12. And then teacher put the pencil and then ask student, how many pencils are there on the table? They count, right? They can see directly, right? There are 12 pencils on the table. Okay, so we want to do about the addition, about number 13. Okay, what numbers come from 10 and 3? Teachers write 10 and 3, and then what numbers come? Okay, it means number 13 means from 10 and 3. Okay, what about rainbow math?
Science?
About rainbow science is about animals, still about animals. Teacher explain what is animals, student. Do you know what is animals? Animals is living things, right? Yes, miss. It means living things can move and grow, right? Okay. Living things like animal, plants, and human, but we must focus for animals. Animals mean water, air, and food. We can call animals. But for this week, we just focus about animals as our pets. Okay, teacher explains about pets. What is pets? Do you know what is pets? Do you have pets at home? Yes, miss. What is that pet? And then some of them I don't know, miss. Okay, miss will explain about pet. Pet is animal that people take care in their home. like tame animals. But if so, like a tiger, we cannot ride because it's so dangerous for us. So can you tell me what is the example of pet that you know, and then ask them about different question about related relation about the right to pets. What animals can be our pets? There are cat, rabbit, fish can be our pets, such as fish like arowana and goldfish. Okay, this is about pets. And the next book we ask them about we study about animals have young. What does that mean? Animals have young. There are two. The first, animals give birth and animal lay egg. What does that mean? What do you mean, Miss? Okay, Miss will explain to you. Animals give birth. It means we can call them mamas. Do you know? I don't know, Miss. Okay, I will explain to you. Animals give birth. This animal have kids inside their body, especially for their mom. Like us, like mom, right? Well, we say, what is that? Is for animals, yeah, what is man or girl? Boy, we say what is that? Boy. What is that? Jantan and betina. What is that? Okay, I get that one right. Okay, we say like that. So give birth, it means this animal have babies that grow inside their body. Okay, and have born. What is it?
Can be male.
Can be female like that. Yes, I guess like that.
Yes, right.
Okay, female, right? Okay, that one is about give birth. Okay, next, what is about lay eggs? Lay eggs is this animal have babies that grow inside their eggs. Okay, they can grow inside their eggs. Okay, Miss want to ask you about some situation. What animals lay eggs? Can you give me example? What is that? Animals, the rabbit and bird lay eggs. Animals lay eggs. Rabbit and bird, Miss.
Rabbit and bird.
Yes. What the checkpoint question? Only like that, Miss. We just focus animals as our pets, and animals have young, give birth and lay eggs like that.
Okay, I see there is previous big question also, yes.
Yes, Miss. But the previous, right?
Yeah. Can you mention maybe one or two?
Okay, the previous or the one is about what animals can fly and has colorful wings. Butterfly can fly and colorful wings. And the next, what animals has fins? Can swim and has fins. Fish can swim and has fins. That one is. Because we take from the previous right about the LP, because the last
Is it from what dates?
7 until 8. 7 until 4.
7
Until 11 April.
11. But you haven't put here this in this link.
This one is
Wait. 7 until 11 April.
yes.
What's the question?
What is the animal can? What is animal can fly and has colorful wings? And what animals can swim and has fins?
I see there is a reading book here, right?
Yeah.
What's the title?
How to fix it?
What is it about?
It's about there are two people, right? Mother and her kids. And then the picture is about the car. How to fix it? That's why we open the book, we open the application, and then ask them to read together. The first we just read word by word, right? And then later until the end we can read the simple word or the other word. How to fix it? Okay, I'll show you.
Okay, just explain this way.
Okay, now we are going to study about animals for this week. Animals, some animals can be our pets.
How do you explain pets?
Pets is, what's the pets? You know what? Okay, pets is animals that people take care their animals inside their home. People give them food or feed their pets, give their drink or the other. What is animals? Animals is living things that can move and grow. And living animals need air, food, and water, but different with people. Because people can do all activities, but for these type of animals, we cannot mix their similar with people. Okay. Okay, can you see this picture, right? Okay, for this picture, the example of some animal as our pets. Monkey. Okay, who has pets? Who has monkey as your pet? Okay, no one, right? Who likes cat? You know, right? Cat is so cute. That's why we can say cat as our pet.
So can we make monkey as our pet, please?
Monkey is so cute too. If the monkey is small, can be our pets. But it's so like gorilla, King Kong cannot, because this is so dangerous for us. You can, if you want to make a gorilla, how can gorilla is big? Later you cannot live with gorilla or monkey. If you want to see gorilla or monkey, you can go to zoo. But for monkey, I see panther, right? This is small like that. Bird, okay, bird like parrot or the other bird. Turtle, you know turtle, right? Yes, right. Turtle can be our pets because this is small too, and all of these animals, they are tame animals. That's why we can say this. Turtle, we can say this. All of animals can be our pets. Okay. After that one, we can say like monkey, is cat, bird, turtle.
Wait, listen, yes.
Turtle. Okay, it's only like this. Okay, look at this. Circle the animals you can keep as pets. Okay. Can you see what picture is this? This is cockroach. Do you want cockroach as your pet? No, miss. Why you don't want? Because cockroach is so dirty. Okay, we can see cockroach from the toilet. Because cockroach is dirty, we cannot make a cockroach as our pets. Okay, understand, right? How about tiger? Tiger is so dangerous for our life. That's why we cannot tiger as our pets. Okay, this is cat. Cat is can be our pets. Yes, right? Because this is cute and tame animals. Okay, this is turtle. This tame animals. Parrot. How about giraffe? You know giraffe, right? Giraffe can be our pets? Cannot, because giraffe is so tall. Later giraffe is taller than your house. That's why you cannot put giraffe inside your home. Okay. If you want ask this animal you can put inside it. You can put in your house. That's why giraffe cannot. This one goldfish. Goldfish can as our pets because goldfish can put in aquarium. How about this? What is this? This is bear, right? Bear is cannot because it's a dangerous, right? Animals. Okay. So from this all of this picture, okay, what animals can be our pets? You can touch this. We see the instruction. You can circle for animals that can be our pets. Okay, for like cat, and then what? Turtle, parrot, giraffe cannot. This goldfish can, right? You can put goldfish in aquarium, and bear cannot. So cat, turtle, parrot, and fish. Animals can have young. There are two parts, right? Animals can have young. Animals that give birth, we can call mammals for that give birth. What does that mean? These animals, okay, these animals have babies inside their bodies, okay, inside their bodies, and then born.
Okay. What are the examples of animals that have birth?
The examples that have birth, like dog, like cow, like tiger, and etc. Like horse,
Pardon?
like monkey, like horse. Horse.
How about the animals that lay egg?
Okay, animal lays egg. These animals have babies and grow inside their eggs. For example, like turtle, like bird, like fish, and etc.
Okay, I think that's all for the evolution stages. Okay. Alright, for the result, yes, for the city questions, you could mention and explain them based on the how that you have with you each week, and then for the